Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we are having a very exciting day. Today is the annual BMW demo event, which means our local BMW dealer is getting some demo bikes that we get to whale on. Now, as of recording this video, it's still April. I don't know why they're having it so early this year. Usually they have it around June, I think it was last year. So I think it's a little insane that they're having it this early this year. The weather is being a little unpredictable today. Let me actually double check it before I leave. Aurora, where this event's being held, it basically says like no chance of rain. It's like 6%. Which is basically no chance, right? But I figured if we do get rained on, because it does look like a little bit of rain over there, I did bring plastic bags to waterproof everything I have. I mean, the bike can't be waterproofed, but this thing shouldn't rust out with a little bit of rain, right? Anyway, here's a cold start on a 2022 Yamaha MT-07. Oh boy. Let me actually double check the oil. I did not do that. Definitely overfilled a little bit, but nothing that's gonna hurt it. We are still in braking, baby. Oh, I love this bike. It's so sketchy. I love it. It hates this corner, but I don't care. You push it harder and harder until it breaks. Ah, this bike is awesome. I love it. I love how I could be out here at 8 a.m. on a Sunday and I still get caught behind a line of traffic. That clock is lying, by the way. It's not 9 o'clock. It is 8 a.m., bro. It is bright and early in the morning. The sun is way up there, like on that side of the world instead of the other side where it usually is. Homie, it is 8:30 in the morning. Where are all these people coming from? Good lord. There's standstill traffic at 8:30 a.m. on a Sunday. It's only my luck, honestly. I swear to God, I do this to myself. I'm the unluckiest person in the world sometimes, especially when it comes to traffic. I don't know what it is, but I always, whenever I go out, I take my motorcycles out, I'm single-handedly causing traffic in the area. It's not even my fault. I mean, I'm cruising with the flow of traffic. I'm doing, you know, things I'm supposed to, but the light is way up there. Imagine sitting in this like while you're getting dumped right. Look at that, dude. The light lasted 2 seconds. We didn't even get a chance to move before the light changed again. That's crazy, man. Imagine if you lived in one of these houses, bro. It takes you an extra 20 minutes to get home. I work 10 minutes down the street, but it's gonna take me 40 to get home. What a miserable experience that would be. It looked like great houses too, but man, the value, an extra 30 minutes added to your commute sitting in this traffic, I think would drive me clinically insane every single day. Watch how short this light is. Not even been a minute. Yep, there it goes. Moved like 15 cars. Congrats. There's not even that much traffic behind. Wait, no, there's a huge line of traffic behind us. Still waiting at this light. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes your stay at the worst traffic light in the Cleveland area. Okay, I'm pretty sure it wants me to turn at that light, but I want to get caffeine really quick. They got the car wash dudes out here. I swear, dude, as soon as you come like 30 minutes this way, shit gets weird. Options seem a little sparse. But I'll never turn down a gust. Is there a self-checkout or something I'm missing? What's up? Oh, good. I don't know if there was like a self-checkout. I was like, ha. Alright, now we just gotta get the package to the place that we're going. Please don't fall out of my pocket. I just spent like $5 on you. Nah, we should be fine. I don't have my NBT hoodie. Not sponsored, but he does send me free stuff, which is cool. NBT, man. I usually like wearing it, but the zipper broke on my black hoodie and wouldn't secure my stuff anyway. So I have a gray NBT one. I actually paid for that one out of pocket. I also paid for these pants out of pocket. These are also NBT pants. I've been meaning to do like a solid review on them, but I mean, I haven't crashed in them. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but I haven't crashed in them, and I know there's been like controversy surrounding the materials that they've used. Actually, these pants are the ones that they used to sell that don't have any of the armor in, which is basically like a Kevlar lining. I want to interview some people who have actually crashed in them and ask them how they've held up, because even though they don't have the same ratings as like a leather, of course not going to get the same ratings as a leather gear. However, I don't know, I'm somewhere in the middle where like, yeah, they don't use the same ratings. However, I find myself wearing this stuff way more often than I'm usually pretty terrible at wearing full gear, because the movement, I like the feel of riding naturally. And so I don't know, man. I'll pull up behind here. Last time I came to this demo event, my bike didn't have a plate on it and a cop ended up parking right here. However, this year I'm riding a fully legal MT-07 with insurance, registration, everything. So I got nothing to fear. And alright, I will see you guys in a little bit when I meet up with my friends and we're all signed up for the demo ride. So I will see you guys very soon. Alright, so we are slotted for the 915 slot. I'm riding the 1250 RS, which is interesting enough. These things are super comfortable.
You're going to ride in a staggered formation. Sorry, sir. Can I have you take your helmet?
Yeah. Well, that was kind of rude. I got my camera turned off, but it was just a bunch of boring information about bikes.
Pretty valuable information, actually.
Oh, you were on the call? My bad.
I'm in it now.
Well, I just learned something about BMWs. Those are not hard red lines. This is why I don't buy a demo bike, people. Dude, that lady was like actually legit. Like the one dude, he's like, "Can you take your helmet off, please?" Because I don't think he liked me recording. Because I tried holding my helmet up to like continue recording, and he like gave me a glare.
Thank God.
The dude in front of me just basically almost stalled. Oh no, am I getting cut off? Dude, I'm getting cut off. No, are you kidding me?
What?
I'm so mad, dude. No, that sucks.
Am I going? Am I going?
Yes, follow her.
No way. Dude, I got cut off. That sucks. The whole reason I come to these things. I just wanted to ride with my friends and I get cut off. Of course, I get stuck with the buzzkill dude and they get the fun lady. Ah. Oh. That was so much torque. See, like, okay, this would be fun if I didn't have someone going 2 miles an hour in front of me, but holy cow, they have so much torque. That's insane. This dude's gonna yell at me though. This is the dude who was like getting so mad because I have my camera on. He's gonna be like, ah, which is crazy because I actually have a BMW at home. I've paid full price for that bike. They've definitely made their money back on me. Those are some nighttime clouds right there for sure. Dude, 6th gear. Could definitely run it. Let's see, 1,000 RPM, 6th gear. She definitely doesn't like it. Definitely run it though. How many miles does this thing have? Let's see. Does it not say the mileage? Oh, 15. Okay, that's fine. 1,500 miles. At least it's broken in at least. Oh yeah, dude, he's gonna be sitting right there this whole time. That sucks. Damn, dude, the cops. They were saying stuff like that. Like the cops were sitting out here. We came here last year and it wasn't half as bad. No cops basically. The demo rides have definitely been getting worse and worse every single year. But yeah, in terms of like the 1250s and this specific model, boring AF, dude. Like, not really that fun. I don't feel anything special. I don't like a lot of what a motorcycle is supposed to be is that it's supposed to make you feel something, and this is making me feel like a boring dad that has nothing going on in his life. And even though he continues to still ride motorcycles, he's given up on any fact that he will ever be cool ever again. Which I guess is better than the Harley guys, but especially for, I'm assuming it's probably like 15, 18, 20 grand maybe, depending on options. Probably even more than that, honestly, knowing BMW, but which is a shame. I mean, it's a quality bike, but they are just boring. Yeah, this guy's riding so boring, dude. They used to fly down roads like this. Suspension feels pretty good. Like, everything about these bikes feels just perfect. They are the gold standard for motorcycles, but BMW's like done a very good job at that. It's just that you have to pay for it. Not cheap at all. And like I said, like it's definitely not the only bike you want to have sitting in your garage, because there are fun things about having a bike that's imperfect, like my V4. Like my Panigale V4. Like that bike is imperfect in a lot of ways. It hates doing the speed limit. It hates sitting in traffic. It's hot. But man, I would not trade it for anything. Nothing compares to that bike. I have that. Oh, there's a little bit of twisty road. A little bit of gravel. I tried to spin the wheel out and didn't do it. How do you live without breaking any rules? Like, I've been meaning to talk about this. I've been meaning to make this into a full video, and so maybe it's not the best time to talk about it here, but when you're on your deathbed, I don't think there's anybody in the world that's sitting there thinking, I wish I took less risk. I wish I was safer. No, everybody on their deathbed thinks, I wish I did more. I wish I took more risks with the time that I had in my youth. It goes for a lot of people who ride motorcycles in there. I mean, it especially goes for some people who do ride motorcycles. Come on. This would be a fun road to take the MT-07 on. Or even the S1K. I think the S1K would love this road. So I just can't imagine riding a motorcycle, like one day, if I make it to my deathbed, I'm gonna wish I traveled more. I'm gonna wish I did more on the bikes. I wish I learned how to do stand-up wheelies and all that. Like, I'm gonna wish I took more risks. And I really want to make that change this year. I feel bad for people out there who are, you know, maybe kind of like this guy, who are super safe with their lives and don't take any risks and ride the speed limit everywhere. Like, yeah, you want to be safe about stuff. You know, you gotta be smart. There's places and times to do things, but life is a truly magical thing, and it doesn't last forever, because one day it will fleet away from you, and you'll wonder what happened. What happened to my youth? What happened? Yeah, here I am talking like an old man, but I think this is life advice that's been given to me. And I think there is a lot of truth to it. As I get slightly older and older, with each day passing, I realize that, yeah, time is ticking very quickly. And it's just better spent being happier and doing things that scare you. Risky things. And don't elude risk with stupidity. Like, yeah, dropping out of school would be a risk, but it's also very stupid to do that. But trying to learn how to clutch up wheelie, that's a risk. Yeah, it might be a little stupid, but the risk to fun factor greatly outweighs the stupid factor. And I think that's just what I'm trying to say here. All those old guys playing golf, man. I wish I was on a bike with an exhaust right now and just paying it off limiter. I hate guys who play golf. I cannot stand. I used to caddy as a kid. Cannot stand old men who play golf, dude. They are the absolute worst humans in existence. It's the, like, somewhat rich ones who act like they have more money than what they actually have. The ultra rich ones are actually kind of chill, and they tip very well. But it's the guys who are, like, not really rich. They drive, like, a base model Porsche or whatever, and they end up tipping you, like, 10%, 5%. And they're, like, the absolute worst humans in existence because they treat you like shit the absolute full amount of time. Would never recommend caddying, dude. It sucks. Just so degrading. Yeah, just bad taste in my mouth, man. Oh, Derek is here. What's up, dude?
It's so dumb. I only have road mode.
This thing is huge. I'm at least with Hannah. I got that.
I hope so. I'm hoping with someone. I'll cry.
Yeah, Derek, I promise you they're
Jeez.
Dude, I think this is the first 6-cylinder bike I've ever ridden.
Why is that group so big? Why are these groups so big?
There's a lot of people here. Dude, this is a 6-cylinder bike and it weighs like 500 pounds.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing is huge. It's got speakers.
Wait, I didn't know that was the bike you picked.
I didn't pick this one. I just kind of hopped on it.
He picked the empty one to the right.
The one over there is actually mine. I just kind of yoinked this one because I didn't want to get stuck with the other group again.
Yeah, that bike looks way cooler.
Wait, why am I in the back?
Because you got a auger. I'm so scared of this.
Just ease the clutch a little more.
I
You'll
am.
be right behind me.
Holy cow. Dude, this is huge.
Yeah, that is massive.
Dude, it's 6 cylinders. Dude, that's crazy. This thing's
Are we
nuts.
going left or right? He's not.
We're going
straight.
right.
Dude, I'm not gonna be able to corner for like literally anything. All right, let's see if this thing has the beans or not.
Give it the beans.
Oh, she's got the beans. Dude, this is nuts.
Excuse me, the instructor does not want to smoke.
Derek, you should just wheelie past us.
Pass everybody in the corners.
Yeah. Oh, you're not part of the group. Can't kick you out.
Derek sounds so quiet.
Derek's always quiet, dude. He's just a quiet little guy.
Or maybe you guys just have bad ears. It is so damn loud.
What?
You gotta turn your shit down.
What'd you say?
Can't hear
I'm in road. I don't know how to change it.
Imagine Derek goes past.
I'm thinking about it.
I can hear it.
It's so smooth with it. Like I can feel it's got power, but like it's not.
Golly.
Got him both there.
Dude, this thing is nuts.
Get one.
I would never buy one, but this is crazy. It's like the sound is worth it alone. There's ladies crossing the double yellow. You can't do that.
Can't do that.
That's illegal.
Dude, the same thing my feet so high.
I know. I have to like tippy toe the thing.
Dude, this thing sounds incredible.
I think the instructor knows that I'm in second gear the entire time.
This or Diavel?
Definitely the oval.
Oh, there's people.
Derek, where are you, bro? Oh, you were back. Oh, you back there, buddy. Hey.
Dang, that's
crazy.
When we get to the twisties, I'm literally.
Wait, Hannah, look at this.
Visors?
Yeah.
Dude, the windscreen's kind of nice. I kind of wish I figured that out earlier. What the hell? Cruise control. Hold up.
Dude, this thing is so fucking
shit.
bouncy.
Gotta change the suspension. Gotta change the mode.
Literally, look at me fucking bounce.
I hope you guys can hear this exhaust.
I
can
can't.
hear it.
Dude, I like this bike. I actually respect this now. This thing's got a radio. Wait, how do you turn on the radio? I need to figure that out real quick.
I don't know. Someone flashed their lights and then nothing happened.
There was a cop, you didn't see it?
No?
It's on me. Yeah, I can hear it.
I'm gonna have so much fun with that next stoplight. Yeah! I can't even hear it. I got earplugs.
Dude, it's so loud.
That's like,
I'm 1,000% blasting the music as we pull in. Whoa! Dude, people got way too much money over here.
Who's getting my rock? about your S-Wing.
Oh, you want to ride my S1K? Oh, well, maybe you say please.
Please?
No. Alright, I'm blasting the Black Sabbath. What a ridiculous, awesome machine. That was awesome, dude. The 6-cylinder sounded, that was worth it for the soundtrack alone.
Probably like turrets come up. And